Cisco Endpoint AMP, Orbital, Talos, Maze, Ransomware, Part 2. Okay, in a previous video, we talked about Orbital and how we can scan an endpoint to find residual from Maze ransomware. And we were looking for this thing called decrypt-files.txt. Well, when I created that, what I wanted to do is come back and loop back to AMP for endpoints, because when I created that to show Orbital being able to detect it, obviously I created or triggered a cloud indicator of compromise. And so we're in endpoint AMP here, and you can see the tactics, defense, evasion, impact, and persistence, and then the technique, data, encrypted for impact. From here, I can actually pivot right into MITRE attack framework and very quickly see, the procedure examples, mitigations, detections, and response. So again, very, very easy to pivot from here. I could also jump into device trajectory, look at when the incident happened. And again, this happened after, right? This wasn't the purpose of the original video. The original video was just showing you how you can use Osquery, Orbital, right, to query endpoints for Maze. Here again, it provides MITRE links, right, again in device trajectory. So I didn't have to jump to another, tool and another interface. I'm getting the details here. And there we see the actual file creation. And on the right side here, we can see, the full path. We can see it was created by explorer.exe and the name. So it's a pretty cool capability when, I am here testing Orbital to show you outcomes when you're scanning using Osquery, and Endpoint AMP sees that obviously an indication of compromise on the endpoint and lets you know that exists. Really cool.